Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KitchenAid dishwasher and it's giving you a 7-2 error code on the digital display. And if you don't have the digital display, then it will actually show this error code by blinking, the lights blinking. You'll notice a blinking light showing this 7-2 error. So what will happen is it will blink 7 times, it will pause for 2 seconds, and it will blink 2 times. And then it will pause for 5 seconds and it will repeat this cycle of 7 blinks and 2 blinks, 7 blinks and 2 blinks, and that's your 7-2 error. But anyways, so that is, if you're getting the 7-2 error, that means that the heating element in the bottom of the dishwasher, it won't turn off. And so what you need to do is, first of all, you need to get it turned off. So, and the only way to do this is to just turn the dishwasher off, unplug the dishwasher. And if you turn it off, unplug it, then you can wait 5 minutes and then turn it back on, try to run a cycle, and see if this error doesn't come back. Because this is something with the electronics that won't turn the heating element off. So hopefully it won't come back. If it does come back, at that point, you're going to need to replace the control board, because for some reason the control board won't let the heater turn off. So anyways, hope this video helped figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.